Before you sign, you gotta watch this video from Imtilak Real Estate. Penalty clauses. There might be a time delay in delivering the apartment from the construction company, or the buyer may be late in paying his dues. What are the penalty clauses in such cases, which would protect the right of both parties? 1. The Turkish law allows the construction company to be late in delivering the apartment for a period of 6 months, starting from the date specified in the contract. And when this period exceeded, we have 2 ways. First is for the construction company to pay the same value of the rent of such an apartment in the surrounding area. Second is for the construction company to pay the buyer a specific percentage of the apartment's price. And in both cases, a financial fine is imposed for each month of delay. 2. We advise you as a buyer to read the purchase contract very well and to be aware of the existence of the penalty clause in the contract in case you are late for payment. Even if you are not notified of the existence of this clause, you're gonna see the value of the penalty clause and how much it is as a percentage of the apartment's price. If the buyer wants to cancel the transaction of purchasing after signing the reservation form, there is a period that allows the buyer to cancel the purchase, which is determined by the construction company. Look for this section. Writing a clause in the purchasing contract. In all of the previous cases, you have to go back to your real estate consultant, so he explains to you what penalty clauses are written in the contract and what is the most important advice provided. Thank you very much for watching and see you next video from Imtilak Real Estate.